Hi, it's Joy Reynolds here from Meditation for the Soul. Yes, the face behind the voice of the meditations. Firstly, thank you for watching and listening and subscribing to the meditations and music on the Meditation for the Soul YouTube channel. Really appreciate you. I just wanted to pop in and let you know a little bit about me and also let you know about our 123 Meditation Club, which has just launched. And firstly, a little bit about me. I discovered meditation over 20 years ago when I was going through a really difficult time in my life. It was suggested by a colleague of mine that meditation may help me with my healing. I attended a meditation center and can remember as if it's yesterday how I felt when I walked into this center. I walked in and immediately felt an amazing wave of love and peace come over me. I sat down and joined all the other people in the room. I closed my eyes and was transported to a place of love and peace. This was what I had been looking for my whole life. This was the beginning of my healing journey. I had a knowing right at that moment that I would need to immerse myself in the teachings, and I went on to study meditation and coaching and hypnotherapy and NLP, EFT, and many, many more personal development modalities. I've taught meditation around the world. I've mentored people in their meditation journey. My meditation journey changed my entire life, and it started from that one decision to attend a meditation class. And my mission is to inspire generations of people around the world to incorporate a daily meditation practice into their lives. Are you ready to change your life and be the best version of you? Well, the 123 Meditation Club, which has now launched, will support you to implement a daily meditation practice. It's the only club in the world that has 5 daily live meditations a week. And the club is more than just the live meditations. You'll also receive a bonus 123 online beginners meditation course and the complete beginner's guide to meditation ebook. And you can get them for free when you join the club. We also have live masterminds and a private Facebook group. Imagine having your own personal meditation guide every day to mentor, support, cheer you on, and answer your questions as they arrive. Well, that's what you get in the club, and so much more. Now is the time to look after your mental health. And meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety. Join the club and be supported daily to experience calm, peace, and happiness. The link to the 123 Meditation Club is on the screen now, and it's also in the description below. So I hope to see you on the inside. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.